So what are the points of differences between traditional and digital business? Firstly, if we talk about base of foundation, yes, that is required in traditional business. That means that initial amount to start business, that is traditional business, is very high. यूजुअली बहुत ज़्यादा लोन्स लेने पड़ते हैं जिसके लिए बाद में बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होती है रिटर्न करने के लिए, क्योंकि दे आर यूजुअली एट अ वेरी हाई मार्कअप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैक्ट्री, जितना बड़ा यूनिट होगा, मशीनरी होगी, एम्प्लॉयज़ ज़्यादा होंगे, जितना ज़्यादा बड़ा सेटअप होगा उसके लिए ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा अमाउंट चाहिए होगी टू स्टार्ट द बिजनेस. जबकि डिजिटल बिजनेस में ऐसा नहीं है. No such heavy amount or capital is required to start the business. It can be started with minimal capital at hand. For example, OLX है, इसके लिए you just have to have a bandwidth. I hope you understand these terminologies. It means basically to have a web space where you can operate your website and you can operate your business. आजकल तो even इस सब की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. For example, you have a YouTube account, you have Facebook account or any other social media and you have a proper skill. For example, हम आजकल देखते हैं cooking videos या इस टाइप का कोई भी आपका skill है, आप उसकी वीडियो बनाते हैं and you just throw it away on the internet and you can earn a lot of money from that. Then workplace, yes, for a traditional business, office is required. The building, sometimes it has to be leased, sometimes rent पे लेनी पड़ती है. जबकि traditional business में no such office is required because it is usually operated from internet. और आजकल तो बिल्कुल cell phones के ज़रिए operate किया जाता है. And it can be started from home, so no such workplace is required for traditional business. Outsourcing, yes, employees are required for traditional business and they have to physically come to office. For digital business, employees can work from anywhere around the globe. कोई भी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस देखें उसके लिए आपको सिर्फ ऑनलाइन you can just put your requirements and the person can work from anywhere around the world and you can transfer money or you can pay them online. And sometimes even for some online businesses, no employees are required. Just a software or web related system can manage things. Inventory and equipment. Yes, a lot of inventory is required for traditional business. All inventory and equipment is available offline and has to be managed accordingly. For a digital business, inventory is not at all required. The business is online, so it is not required to manage inventory or equipment. All things are managed online.